In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Adobe subscription, student, cheap, or full apps, 2025. First, open your web browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. Click the official Adobe Creative Cloud page. You'll know you're in the right place if you see Adobe Site Design and the Creative Cloud overview. From here, select Start Free Trial. This button takes you into the plan picker and checkout flow, which is where you'll choose the subscription that fits you best. On the plan screen, review the options carefully. If you're a student or teacher, look for the discounted education plan. This is usually the cheapest way to get access to all apps. Otherwise, decide between a single app plan like Photoshop only or the all apps bundle. Check whether the price shown is monthly with an annual commitment or a true month-to-month plan, and note any promotional pricing and when it ends. Also make sure the region and currency match your location. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. You'll likely see a quick summary or mini cart. Use this moment to confirm the plan name, billing cadence, and total with taxes. If everything looks correct, click Continue again to proceed to payment. On the payment page, choose your payment method. Depending on your region, you may see options like credit or debit card and other local methods. Select the one you prefer. Now enter your card number exactly as it appears, then the expiration year. Next, add the security code, the 3 or 4 digits on your card. Enter your first and last name as they appear on the card to avoid verification issues. Take a second to confirm that all details are accurate before moving on. Click Continue to verification. At this stage, many banks use an extra security step, such as a one-time code or a quick approval in your banking app. Complete that verification to authorize the payment. After verification, follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the final page where you see subscribe. This page will recap your plan, the billing amount, any trial period, and the renewal date. Review it carefully, then click subscribe to finish. You should receive a confirmation on screen and by email, and you'll be guided to download the Creative Cloud desktop app to install your selected apps. A quick tip before you wrap up: set a reminder for your next billing date or the end of any promo or trial so there are no surprises. That's it. You've successfully purchased your Adobe subscription.